What's up, guys? So, due to this coronavirus, we can't go anywhere. Can't go to the beach. I mean, we can go somewhere. I have one of those jobs that is an essential job, so I'm allowed to go to work. And you still go out a little bit, but let's face it, we all need to stay home or to be safe. So, anyway, so I decided Mitsubishi Galant to replace the headlights. Now, one of them is burned out, but when I replace headlights, I replace both. Obviously, I have the original, so I don't want to take any chances, so I'm basically just going to do both headlights. Obviously, I took one off already, which I'll show you guys in the video when I take the other side off, but the ring, that one out. That one's out. That one's still in. So they sold me, just like I showed you, this is the wrong one, this is the right one. I don't know what they were thinking, but this is definitely the wrong headlight. So it's always good to take the original with you or get the original number, and then that way you don't have this problem where I spend, what was that? Because I got a little while ago and I haven't had time to do anything with it, but I basically spend like 50 bucks. Those are the wrong ones, so we gotta go and we gotta get the new headlights. These are the correct ones. Now I was able to, as you guys can see, it's pretty expensive. It's like almost $54. So I bought them at one Advance Autos, and you can go to any Advance Autos and Auto Part and pretty much exchange it. As long as you're exchanging it, you don't have to go back to the original place, which is cool, because what I originally bought, the other ones, was like 45 minutes to an hour away. I just happened to be in the area and purchased them. Thank God I didn't have to go back. I just went to my local store. They exchanged them for me, and here's the right ones. So we're going to install it. Guys, so you can see, I don't know guys, you can see, but basically you want to have this up, and then you can hear it click in. It's secure. And then you grab yourselves the plug. Bingo. Driver's side's done. Now we'll go to the passenger side. Do the same thing. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing, but you push in a little clip. Now granted, these been on here for a while, but if you guys can see, all right, so we did the driver's side, and then now we're on the passenger side. So you press, comes off, then you twist, little bit of wiggle. Ta-da! As you guys can see, pretty much goes like that. So these were here for a long time, so I'm not saying they're originals, but they're probably close enough. So, all right, so these are the old one. I guess that one was, you can tell the difference. So this must have been the original, and this must have been a replacement. I think that one's still good. But I always put both brand new. So I wasn't involved with that, but I am with this. That I wasn't involved in, this I am. So pretty much gotta put this on. Some of these can be a little tricky. It's not a lot of room. There you go. You guys saw that? So basically, click, light on. Get it back on. This thing is awesome. So that light's on. That one's on. All right, guys, so there's a quick installation, Mitsubishi Galant. Hope it was helpful. And I always try to do this kind of simple stuff. You'd be surprised, you take it to the garage sometimes, and I don't know, this is simple stuff that the average person can do. So anytime I think of something helpful like this, hey, why not? I've seen some of these where you have to remove the battery, and let me tell you, that's really tricky. So this one, very, very simple. Backup, spare, for now. Down the road, I can throw them out. I'm just gibbering on. Anyway, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, so headlights are in. So this is a cool car. It's got quite a bit of miles. It's Mitsubishi. They made a good car. They really did. This is the second Galant that I've owned, and I love it. It's awesome. So mainly my father drives it. So he's mechanically inclined, but I figure, hey, you know what? I got some extra time since I can't go anywhere except work for the most part, get food, grocery store, which that's pretty much it for now. So figure why not get that done. So hey, it's done. So if you guys subscribe, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. And I got some more videos coming up with the side-by-side. I keep buying accessories that I need. I figure right now I'm not riding it, so I figure once everything gets more clear and I can ride. I'm not saying I couldn't ride, everybody's busy and a lot of people are, avoiding interaction. So for now I'm not riding. I'm pretty much concentrating, taking care of my parents and working and getting some of this stuff caught up. So hit that button, subscribe. So anyway, I gotta get a haircut too. Guy can't even cut my hair. I guess that's not essential. Who would have known, huh? Haircut, not essential.